You guys have been informed, and I'm the official one to tell you again. You're not gonna wanna miss this event. It's my inaugural fish fry, SOURSOP fish fry event. It's gonna have my sea cream, and we're gonna be doing this throughout the year to raise funds for my brick and mortar venture. So please come out and support. RSVP, pre-purchase your platters in advance, and come out and feel the high vibration. Peace, love, and light.